So here we are again, and I am reviewing the Tasmanian Tiger individual first aid kit pouch. This is one that I really like. I really like how it deploys. I really like how it goes onto gear. I think that it's a fantastic little pouch if you want to be the person that's carrying an extra individual first aid kit. So right off the bat, it comes with a molle attachment system like the other pouches that I've been showing off here lately. And it attaches via 4 attachment points. It's 5 across, so it's going to take up 5 molle slots on your battle belt or wherever you're deciding to put this thing. But it's going to be a really easy and quick to deploy system because all you have to do is give this thing a tug and it's going to slide your individual first aid kit out of there. So this only acts as a pouch. It's going to be really easy to deploy, and it's going to make sure that all of your goodies come with it so that if you are in a situation where crap has hit the fan, you can deploy this quickly and accurately. So deploying it again, I'm going to show you what we can do in here. It's got spots for all your goodies, and again, it opens up so that you can have even more goodies in here. Spots for 2 tourniquets if you want to have them. In fact, here's a cat tourniquet. It's going to fit really nicely in that spot and sit really nicely in that elastic. It's got pouches, and this actually comes out, so if you wanted to have shears or surgical equipment in here, you could. And it's going to give you all the spots for all of your first aid goodies to make sure that you can patch that flat in your buddy. Putting this all back together, I'll come and bring this up nice here. So again, this has nice elastic loops for all of your goodies. Folds up nice and tight so that when you put it back into the main deployment pouch, you're going to have a nice package to put all of your individual first aid kit goodies in. Move that down. Another nice thing is that it has this plastic spot here where if you want to bring a first aid kit or a first aid guide, if you're not super well trained and you need to have that cheat sheet with you, that's a good spot to put that in. So packing this back down, comes in at about $40 right now, but you can get it for 5% off using the code BEAROUTFITTERS at Texas Adventure and Survival School. I'll drop the link to this below and the description to this item. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment, like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys out there next time. Until then, happy trails.